This time, I will not make that same mistake as the previous pick'ems. I say it's a disaster because they took everything from me right after the major. This time I have to do it on the new account, which is my third account. I will not make the same mistake. I swear that these guys still at large, stealing and selling stolen items without any what you call without any purpose whatsoever. They could have my money. I mean, the scammers, not Valve. But it could take my credibility. Screw those guys. Valve, please give me a good one. Probably gold or diamond this one. I want it so bad. So this is the second major pick'em of CS2. Since the first one was a disaster, in my opinion. This one, very good. Because it was on my new account, my 38 account. And I bought some shit. Equipping this, the good old days. This is a 5-year-old music kit. And this is a brand new one. I think this is the second music kit from Perfect World, the team of Perfect World, who distribute CS2 in the Chinese region. The first one is called Painted Face, but I think you can still buy this music kit. And we'll get to the pick'em later on. It's still here. I think it's still sold. I'm glad this thing still exists. Otherwise, it's gone forever. They're all gone forever. These are CS:GO pre-CS2 items, CS:GO items, before transition to CS2. That's a Talos Principle. There's a sequel recently launched last year, which is one of the first video game music kits, which is right there. Still have no closer, eh? And yeah, I used to have one of these. I'll have to buy another one. I'm tired of paying it twice. Unless the compensation really helped me out. Outside the game. Yeah, there's a CSGO collectible pins capsule series. Where is it? Painted Face. Oh. Hold on. Excuse me. I haven't what's it called? Air out, which is basically scratching so many times. It's just that's the last one. And that game sucks. I'm glad I didn't spend my money on that. Okay. Where is it? Painted Face. Painted Face. Should be here. Because that was released during CSGO whatsoever. It's not here? Oh yeah, this one as well. Used to make a music also on Valor. Oh wait, there it is. Painted Face. Okay. I thought it's gone forever. I thought it's gone forever. Okay. Okay, I thought it's gone forever. So now for the pick'ems. Actually, you can free pick on elimination stage as well. I wonder what I'm going to pick it. Okay, but it's a week away from now. I'll do I'll do the elimination stage later on. Maybe, but this is gonna be a hard one because I didn't watch I didn't watch esports because I was very busy playing other games, or should I say I have finally found my job, so I could recover all my losses. Yeah, basically like that. Okay. We have okay, we have these teams. I probably know all of these teams. Okay, but what I didn't know, I don't I don't familiar with these 5. Okay, so let's go with the trios first. Probably, I remember the MongolZ have one of the biggest, what's it called, upsets before the major, or should I say after the major. So that might be it. Should have 2 of them, okay? It's going to be a hard one. I should look at the teams competing in the Shanghai Major. Shanghai Land. Okay. Shanghai Major, which is okay. Oh yeah. Okay. So this is called the Perfect World Shanghai Major, which is the first ever Counter-Strike, what should I say, Counter-Strike major, okay? Valve sponsored major by Perfect World. The guys who distribute this game into the China region, basically northern China. Not the other one, which is Taiwan. It was until way before Christmas, like a week before Christmas, which is December 15. So let me check, okay, the participants right now. Hold on, I'm using my phone. Good thing I'm using my phone, okay? Let's see, Furia have, oh yeah, Furia, they have fallen now. I don't think they're gonna advance, okay? Virtus Pro, they're basically the outsiders. They have Jame and the Fame. The Jame and the Fame. Yes, you know those two, right? You know those two. It's Jame time. Okay, so it's sorry, fallen. I don't think your name is Dr. Rice. Anyway. The Fallen. Or in that case, is Fallen. Because it's the different kind of Brazilian accent, so self-explanatory. Falling off. Well, it's not even. Yeah, he made it into the majors, but it's on the qualifications. Team Liquid, they have. Oh yeah, they have Twist, who recently won a major under the name Face Clan. So, but this is his return to an American team, since Face Clan was a European team. He's the only he's the only American major, not American major. Yeah, Twist was Canadian. I'm sorry. Twist is Canadian. He's the only North American major so far who won a major. Okay, so probably give them a second chance, but I don't think Team Liquid gonna win this major. No, not with their world champion Twist. Complexity, They have Grim. No, not to be confused. The Grim on Valorant, which is the Sage Wall guy. They have a Leech. But they never saw no for them. Big, which is a German team. They have Tapson. And that's it. They have later we have Crims. They have Crims and Blame F, a former Astralis member who's also a champion as well. Oh yeah, since those two players were actually champions, let me check. I'm pretty sure. Crims was the major champion. The name Fnatic way back. Crims. Yeah, there he is. There's Crims. It's two-time champion. But that was on the CSGO. Era. Okay. Have to confirm before. I said, get a second chance. Made 10 picks. What is 10 picks? Oh, come on, man. MongolZ already picked. The Pain Gaming, I don't recognize. It's a Brazilian team. I don't think. Nope. Made in Brazil as well. Nope. Gamer Legion. Oh yeah, these are the same people who made it to the finals. The new Cloud9, which they have. Oh yeah, they have ex Navi player Bloombla who controversially cheated on his own wife and moved on. They have also Perfecto. Did not participate. Poor Perfecto. He deserves better. But it's a no-no. FlyQuest. This is FlyQuest. This is an Australian team. I forgot. Yeah, FlyQuest, an Australian team. I literally forgot, but as long as I could recognize some of the members related to FlyQuest. No. I don't think so. Sorry, FlyQuest. Passion UA. This is a Ukrainian team. But you know what's the real Ukrainian player is? You know, Alexander Kostylev. Okay, we have this is a North and European American team wildcard. It's yes, it's been, you know, it's been funded by one of the worst streamers on the planet, so I don't like her, I don't trust her, and I know this team will deserve to not be on Shanghai. Leave Shanghai alone, you American bollocks. Sorry. What's better than that? You big people, whatever. And then of course, Rare Adam. This is supposedly the new what's it called? Oh yeah, Tyloo Gaming. All Tyloo Gaming has been disbanded recently. In case you're wondering, when it comes to Chinese teams. So wait, hold on a second. Let me check in this one again. Yeah, I'm very sure Tyloo Gaming was disbanded. Or oh yeah, the roster. Yeah, the roster I knew Tyloo was disbanded completely. So they move on to Rare Adam. You have somebody, aka Shuha Wen, and the other called Kai Yolan, aka Summer. And of course, they have a Malaysian player, so yeah, gotta give it a chance. Imperial Esports. Oh yeah, of course. This is about Rare Item. Okay, this is also a European team, so it's Chinese European. So some of the I say full Chinese. So some of the players will no longer, some of the European players were no longer affiliated with Rare Item. So, oh, sorry, poor guys. Imperial Esports. They have Phelps. If I could remember. The same guy who won the 2016 one. I'm pretty sure. Let me check that later on. So this one for the 3-1. So what about the 3? What about the 3-2? The 3-2. The 3-2. They are still okay. I think Furia. Yeah, as I mentioned. But Fnatic. Yes, they have the champions. So strong start, probably. Strong start. And what's that? Oh, imagine you're not picking MIBR. Oh, I will not pick MIBR because recently I wanted to talk about this when it comes to the other game, which is Valorant. They have one of the worst ever upset to the Japanese. I will talk about that later on, okay? Well, I get the chance. Come on, I need 2 more picks. 2 more picks. 2 more picks. I'll pick, yeah, I'll pick the one that I'm not familiar with. So, down you go, Pain Gaming. Sorry, very sorry. Wait, yeah, as I mentioned, they have Tapson, so there you go. That is my pick. It's final now, so I will not pick it when I'm done. Okay. So now the elimination stage. This is probably the part 1. I will do the part 2 next week. So I will update it for the elimination stage. Probably after a few changes. Okay. Now, for the elimination stage, we have okay. First up, G2. Okay, they have the 2, the Kovac cousins, Hunter and Nico. They have Modesty and Snacks and Taz. Okay, again, the Kovac cousins, Modesty, Snacks and Taz. Excuse me. Take it. Sorry, I'm sorry. I'll pick that one too. So I'll pick the ones that are going to be eliminated or not even familiar with. Not familiar, I'll just pick it away. So Vitality, a previous champion. Wait. Maybe. Yes, of course. It's kind of confusing. So, okay, swap this too. She don't ever remain in it. Yeah, never be. Unless they will try. They will try. They will try. Neko will try. Unless. All right. Good. They will have team spirit. They have team spirit. We have they have Dog, Shiro, and Chopper. Oh yeah. This is the going advance. They will advance. Mouse Sports. They have Brawlin. That's it. So not familiar with it. With Face Clan, another previous champion. So there you go, events. Now for the last eliminate. Which one I pick, Heroic or 3D Max? Heroic, they have they have Tessus and Dexter. 3D Max, they have Lucky and I don't know, the French or Yeah, of course. Vitality was also a French team. They have Apex and Zaiwu, so sorry guys, you deserve better. Okay. Make 7 picks, the 3 left, or should I say 8 if I put Pearl on the vents, but I'm not sure. So gotta save this as a template, okay? So I could pick the remaining 3. If there's any changes whatsoever, I will pick shift 1 to another. So yes, probably next week for the elimination stage. So okay, gotta put this as a template, and yep, that's it. And later, the other week later is the playoff. So okay, so this is the opening stage pick'ems, and then one on the elimination stage. Changes later on. So if I can get correct pick'em for this one, I will get silver. Then on the elimination stage, I will get gold. And on the playoffs, if I make a correct pick for the grand final, I will get diamond. But since this is this is the first coin for this account, anything goes, anything goes. I'm just so tired for rebuilding this account again. Okay, so yeah, and also buying stuff, which I lost recently for this one, and also brand new biscuit. If you bother want to support the major, so okay. Oh yeah, I almost forgot. Graffiti. I'll just leave it be. Never mind. Okay. What now? Okay, yeah. There are brand new stickers and capsules, so they're same thing again. They're not even bordered. I just wanted the one all days, please. I don't care if it covers up some of the points of my skin. Unless I want gold. I want gold later on. Okay, I want gold. And that's it. Done. Enough with the sticker capsules. Later, after I unbox knife. And there's one more thing that is absolutely missing. There is I gotta drink. I speak too much. It's the, of course, on this brand new so-called brand new souvenir package. Let me exchange some. No. Oh, you cannot. Not yet. Haven't online yet. So just wait until next week, okay? So I could just exchange, but not open it yet. That will reset the pity of the kilowatt collection kilowatt collection polls. Now we're up for about 4 batches left out of 10. Yes, of course. 400 cases. Yes, of course. It's a lot. It's a lot. But I'm sure. Please just give me one knife. Or just one knife. Okay. Oh yeah. On the souvenir package. There's one thing that was absolutely missing. That is the keychain. There's keychain like this that represents one of your teams. How is it not in the souvenir package? I'm very sure it should be added, like, now, so I could see what they look like with the gold sticker in it. Of course, you cannot remove them. So if it's not there, I was disappointed. If it's there, good thing, good, really good. So I could play that skin after or during during and after the Shanghai 2024 the Shanghai 2024 major. Okay, of course I'm gonna watch it anyway during break time. So Yeah. So that's it. Those are my pickums. So Shanghai Major. So probably next week for the pickups and some gameplay. Yeah.